Yeah, get this weapon. We'll stop begging, just ignore them because Jesus. A guy was for VIP every game pass. Hello. Hello. Yeah, he's not gonna sneak. This is true. So yeah, let's get into the video. Oh yeah. Yeah, friends, switch to bulldozer. Switch to bulldozer. Yeah, you still can. Yeah, so guys, we are doing a video using bulldozer to see if it's good, bad, or mid. Then we might use it sometimes. Yeah, it's kind of bad, you know. Natural YT thinks it's mid because like you just do stream roller and after you just fall down. Red light, green light, you can easily die. Like you're gonna get shot, you know. It's gonna like stop it, which is kind of good, but we might need a meta more. Yeah. So, fans, oh Jesus. Okay, now who's this guy saying this is Perfecto Victoria? That's right, I win. No, you don't. Yeah, it's because they have that emote. It is kind of bad, bro. I kind of miss when people put lots of people see stands. And this one. Bulldozer's mid. I wish if VIP was like you become one of the VIPs and you don't play the game. You get to watch, or if you want to play the game, you can. So yeah, it's like what they did. Yeah, and it will explain the price: 649 Robux. That's why people are begging for it, man. This girl, I feel like this girl's clueless. She does not know what VIP means. She just did a random color, so I'm going for her first. She doesn't even have dash, so yeah. Efran, we have to. I mean, natural YT. We have to tag team this girl. She's gonna get in our way, thinking she's. I need to get her. She's medic! Ew! Okay, I don't know how I didn't get shot in the leg. Nah, she's a medic. We need to get her out. We need to get her out, Efran. She's. I got a bandage. I got a bandage. drop it every dead. Not every time. She's gonna try to go for you now. Don't die, don't die. I understand. Oh, she's saying no. Idiotic person. What was? I just killed somebody. F, and there's two bandages over here. Two bandages. Yeah, hit her, yeah. I will, I got you, I'll carry you. Let me carry you now. Leave her in the dust. Leave her in the dust. You need to murder her. No problem, I got you. Okay, stay there. I think that was a terrible idea. I slapped her. Yeah, that you clutch. And now this bacon. I can't kill this dude. I can't kill this dude. He dash. I'm gonna die. Yeah, whenever somebody has a dash, you know, look, this guy 25. Let me check how many wins this guy has. He has dash. He has 3. What the hell, bro? Nah. Oh, yo, bro, he's up here. You bet's up here. Let me just aura for him. Yeah, I don't trust. Yeah, whenever VIP, you know that girl that we tried to kill? You know that girl we tried to kill? She is a sweat. She has max dash. I mean max stroke. You did have. I see. That's kind of messed up, you know. People who buy super push is messed up because, bro, super push literally push across the entire triple pitch. You kick the ball so hard. Yeah. Yeah, if you put it like that, with clutch. Oh, sorry, my bad. I kind of pushed this guy. I swear to God, if I get this, I will just get this. Okay, now that's my picture. Nah, people keep pushing everybody. Okay, now this girl, you know the girl that we try to kill at the same time, they just pushed me. Easy. Oh, I just flung her out of the map. Lord. Okay. Yeah? Okay, thank you. Yeah, Frank, if one of yeah, Mona Lisa, you're cooked. You might survive. It's not a high percentage. Like, my finger is so big. I'm sorry, but my finger is, you know, and I don't think my finger can fit that tiny gap. Like, My screen's pretty big, but no, I got Mona Lisa. I got Mona Lisa. I'm cooked. As soon as we're talking about it, I've already cracked it without even like touching the cookie. What am I meant to do now? I just have to tap. Why does it be so tiny? But whenever I get cookie, circle cookie, if I survive this, friend, I'm a W. I've never survived Mona Lisa.
Welcome back, my friends.
Yeah, I feel like that.
Welcome back,
I feel like that.
friends.
I feel like it should be an intro. No. The game's telling me to hurry up. My screen is so tiny.
Welcome back, my friends.
I can't be bothered about somebody buying me lighter.
Welcome back, my friends.
It's kind of useful, but it's not useful at the same time.
Welcome back, my friends.
Wait, I understand it now.
Friends.
Hey, welcome back, my friend.
I need you to check the time. No, I cracked it again. One chance. Check the time for me. Oh, I'm dead.
Welcome back, my friends.
There was only a couple seconds left.
Welcome back, my friends.
Okay. I'll spectate. Somebody damn you, XX. Bro, the game just... I thought VIP blessed me up with so many circles. You decide to give me Mona Lisa. Okay, so guys, Efran is gonna betray her, the girl that had a call. Yeah, so Efran's gonna betray her, and after she's out of the way, so yeah, you just have to watch. We just have to watch. Sadly, I died. Efran feels like the girl is gonna betray him instead of him betraying her. So let's just get into it. Let's just watch. If she starts attacking, then you know she's gonna betray you. Like she starts attacking you for like as a joke, then I feel like she's gonna betray you. Then because like. I'd say aura farm up there. If I survive, yeah, aura farm. You're cooked. That slap. Oh, just got knocked. Got knocked. That's mad. Wait, actually, no wait, actually try not to betray her. Try not to betray her, she's actually helping. Like, that's a good team, like, if you betray her, then she's just gonna, no, it's not gonna be good. Like, if you hit her and try to hit her off, then she's gonna fall in her X Games mode, and so like, why? Oh my god. I wish I could just move my screen instead of the game moving my screen with the camera. Rotate them. Yeah? But at least she's a W though. She is a W. Yeah, at least we know for training. Wait, but she is low health though. Oh, never mind. She was. Yep. I actually missed that dance.
Nice, yeah? Nice. I ate two. We've been cat outside.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, wow. What? Did she die? Nah. What you that time? What's you? I don't care. I don't play that game anymore.
Mum said you just asked that I wasn't picking up my call. I don't know if she heard anything else. I don't think she heard anything else. Whatever I said.
Hope you win, FM. Hope you win.
So what is it that you said?
Lose. Nah. Everyone, I feel like everyone's gonna make it to Sky Squid. Oh my days. Everyone got sequin hooks. Everyone's dead. You can barely get any kills. He's killed and he's gonna protect the hideous. Nah. Like a box piece of cookie. Please. And give me. Good, be quiet. For real. That's on lagging. I love this. I like doing this for no reason. Oh my days, everyone try hide there. You are? Yeah. Wait, did you find somebody? Oh, somebody in FN. You know the place where you were at with the like traps. You know, with the traps. Somebody's up on the floor, and they're like near your door. They're near the door, and somebody's inside the room. The door open. Somebody's holding a door because there's so many people holding a door. Somebody's staying somewhere. Efren, go upstairs. Go to the top floor. Yeah, go up there. Try look for a place with Try look for a place. Yeah, look. Yeah, there's someone near there. Somewhere it's near up there. I saw them. I was spectating. I accidentally spectated off of you, so I checked. No, Efren, open. Yeah, there's a door. No, Efren, go back. There's a door that's open. Yeah, yeah. Go back. No, not there. No, go back. No, wrong way. Wrong. Okay, just go this way. Yeah, that's the room he was in, but he left. Look, go see. She's done it. A girl somewhere in. That's what I said. She's somewhere up there. Yes, look. Try to get a kill because you only have 10 seconds left. You're gonna. Yeah, man, you're cooked. You're cooked. Yeah, you're dead now. Okay, let's. Do you try this again? Alright, so, yeah, wait, this is good.